I've got 2 lollipops, a big one and a small one. Guess which one eats a lot and does not work out? And which one will my friend choose? Obviously the big one. A good choice, because there's lip balm inside. You'll need a ball-shaped lip balm. Take the wrapping off of a lollipop. Cut off the stick. Hot glue to the balm. Cover the container with stationery glue and attach the wrapping. Tape the end. Cut the wrapping in the middle to let the balm open. My friend opens the lollipop and there's a makeup filling inside. She immediately applies it to make her lips soft. Mmm, tasty! And I've got a tiny ordinary lollipop. My friend's going to have breakfast. She takes a jar of granola. While she's away getting a kettle, a mysterious hand takes the jar. Oh, it isn't mysterious. It's mine. Oh, it isn't granola. It's bath salts. You'll need white bath salts. Great natural soap. Put the salts and the shavings into a clear glass jar. Crush a pink bath bomb on top. Put on the top and shake. Cover with a piece of cloth. Wind twine around it. While my roommate's wondering where her breakfast is gone, I rush into a bathroom holding the granola jar in my hands. I think starting a day with a bath is perhaps better than having breakfast. I put the salt into the bath and turn on the faucet. I love aroma baths. My friend pretends she can cook. She places purchased cookies onto a baking tray. She thinks everybody believes she's baked them. Certainly not. Add whipped cream to be more convincing. You super cook. Looking at her cookies, I feel hungry. What's there in the fridge? Wow, there's a chocolate ice cream stick. No, it's fake. What is this? She opens the ice cream to show there's eyeshadows. You'll need a little eyeshadow palette. Place it on a foam rubber sheet. Cut out the needed size. Attach it to the palette. Make sure the palette can open. Wrap it around with the foam rubber sheet. Snip off the excess. Cut off a piece of a flat wooden stick. Hot glue the stick to the fake ice cream bar. Farewell, my ice cream. I'll miss you. And what am I going to eat now? Okay then, bring your cookies. I'll pretend to believe you've baked them. The cookies quickly disappear. Yes, we do love sweets. I take the last cookie. What's this? There's eyeshadow inside. You'll need round eyeshadow and air-dry clay of a beige color. Put a clay circle on top of the eyeshadow. Make a thin roll. Attach it across the edge to imitate the cookie pattern. Use a wooden stick to make notches across the roll. It's an edge strip. Form a grid using other rolls. Put chocolate drops into the cells using brown air-dry clay. Decorate the bottom in the same style. An awesome cookie-shaped eyeshadow is ready. That's what my friend's been baking for so long. It's a trendy eyeshadow. The Super Makeup Cook offers me her Mentos candies. No thanks, I've got my own pack. Besides, I can use my Mentos to do my eye makeup. You'll need mascara. Remove candies out of a Mentos pack. Put in the mascara. Make a round cut between the cap and the tube. Hot glue the wrapping. Fold it at the ends to imitate a real Mentos package. My friends appreciated the amazing mascara. My eyelashes enjoy the candy. I'm going to prank my friend with a lipstick in disguise. We'll need lipstick in a square container and a Frutella pack. Take out the chewy candies. Put the wrapping on the lipstick. Cut off the excess. Hot glue the wrapping to the container. Fold it at the ends and hot glue. Make a cut to let the lipstick open. I see a pack of candies my friends left on the shelf. Wow, I'll take one. I open the pack and there's lipstick inside. It's not what I've expected. Unlike my friend, I enjoy putting this fabulous lipstick on my lips. If only I could chew it. My dear pranksters left her handbag open. I'll use it for putting in a gift. It's a beauty box. Take pastillas in a metal box. You can eat the candies. Transfer blush balls into the box. Add a little makeup brush. Put on the top. My friend comes back and takes all her makeup out of her bag. What's this? I don't remember putting this candy box into my handbag. She opens the box and sees blush balls instead of candies. It's strange. Blush inside of a pastel box? Anyway, she seems to like it. Meanwhile, I'm entrapped in my own pranks. My friend takes a wrapping off of her chocolate. It's so tempting. She gives me one. Good girl. I take off the wrapping, but the chocolate looks weird. Squeeze hot glue on the top of lip balm. When dry, take brown acrylic paint. Cover the entire container. Make the chocolate topping pattern using light paint. I open it up. Aha! Here's a balm filling. I can use this chocolate to care for my lips. I'm reading a book about magic transformations, and my roommate brings me a little Sprite. Let's see what there's inside. Perfume? Certainly. Take a perfume pen. Tear the wrapping off of a bottle of Sprite. Mark the pen length so that the drink name can be easily seen. Cut it out. Attach the wrapping to the perfume pen. Test the new perfume. Oh, it smells just like Sprite. I don't like the scent. Take it away. But my friend can't agree to it. I'd better run away. My friend adores coffee, and I've got a coffee dessert. Cute little candies. Use a spoon to crush brown sugar into fine crumbs. Add used coffee grounds and stir. Put coconut oil into the mass. Pour the mixture into a silicone mold. Refrigerate for a couple of hours. When cool, remove the figures from the mold. My friend reaches for my sweets. Sure, they look exactly like white chocolate with coffee filling. It's easy. Take a candy-shaped scrub and spread it over your hands, rubbing it into the skin under running water. Wash it off afterwards and forget about chapped hands. Your skin will be soft and smooth. My cheerful friend offers me Mentos candies. How sweet! You'll need a flat pack of Mentos. Let the candies free. Hey, run away! Open a square lipstick palette. Place it on the wrapping. Cut off the excess. Apply hot glue to the container. Attach the wrapping. I open Mentos, but there are no chewy candies inside. It's a lipstick palette, sweet and bright. Well, what do you think? Did you like lip balm instead of chocolate, bath salts instead of granola, or mascara instead of chewy candies? Write in your comments which way you want to combine your sweets and makeup.